Hey, Kale. This is gonna be. I'm gonna ask Kale some questions and see if he says yes or no, or maybe. Ready, Kale? I'm gonna ask you some questions, okay? Kale, are you a dork?
Yeah.
No or yes?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you have parents? Yes or no?
No.
No or yes?
Yeah.
Are there a 5-foot difference between your two front teeth, Kale? No or yes?
No.
Oh, okay. Hey, Kale, does Dad have mold in the crevice of his butt crack? No or yes?
Yes.
Oh! Oh! That is disgusting. That's despicable. Despicable. Hey, Kale, let me ask you another question.
Yeah.
Can I?
Cheese.
Hey, don't grab the camera. He's a bad man. Do you have a wiener?
Yes.
Okay. Hey, Kale, do you like puppies?
No.
Oh man, doesn't like puppies. Ow! Don't hit me. Say you're sorry.
Yes. Yes,
Kale, what's your favorite color?
Not again.
Not again. Is Jimmy Hoffa in your butt crack?
Yes.
Oh! Hey, 911. Jimmy Hoffa has been found. Are the Olympics awesome?
Yes.
Sweet. Hey, what the buck? You got to see this video. We have another Olympic fan here. All right. Hey, stop hitting me. Hey. Is SpongeBob gay?
Yes.
Whoa! Everyone, your problem has been solved. Kale, are diapers ugly?
No.
Well, diapers are not ugly. Diapers are the fad. Okay, let's ask Dad. Dad, what should the question be? What do you want to ask Kale?
I don't know. How old is he?
No, a funny question.
I don't know. Does he like Usain Bolt?
Jesus. Kale, do you like Usain Bolt?
Yes.
Yes, Usain Bolt, fastest runner in the world. Kale, can I punch you in the gooch?
No.
Oh, god dang it. Can I tickle you? Oh, he's having a seizure? No, just kidding, everyone. I'm just kidding. Oh, no, he's getting PO'd. He's getting pissed.
Oh.
Kale, do you have mold?
Yes.
Do you have mold in your ears?
Okay, end the interview.
Ooh. Hey, Mom's behind him. Oh my God, Kale's the magic man.
Say goodbye.
Kale's the magic man.
Say goodbye.
Kale, don't hurt me.
Kale, say bye-bye.
Stop kicking me.
Say goodbye. Goodbye. See you later.
Hey, Kale, will they subscribe to our videos?
Yes.
Will they, Kale? Oh, don't hit me again. If you hit me one more time, hit me in the hand. I dare you. I dare you to hit me right here, Kale. Hit me right here if you do.
Okay, that's enough. Say goodbye. Goodbye.